Happy birthday at Chelsea. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Mama at ni Baby Port. Papakbait ka palagi. Basta lagi mo tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka ni Mama at Dada.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah.
Mahal ka ni Baby Port. Opa mo si ate. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Happy birthday, Chelsea! 18th birthday, Apo! Masaya ka sana parati. Bye-bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Chelsea. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Chelsea! Happy birthday, Chelsea! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Chelsea!
Chelsea, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
15 years old ka na.
Dalaga ka na.
Hi, happy birthday, Chelsea.
Happy birthday, Chelsea. 80th birthday mo na.
Hi, Chelsea. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Chi. Happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. See you soon.
See you soon, baby. Pakabait kay mama at papa.
Hi, Chelsea. Happy birthday. Anong handa mo? Wala. Okay lang yun kahit walang anong handa. Basta happy ka. Diyan si mama, tsaka daddy mo, tsaka mami mo. Lalong-lalo na yung 45 years old mong kapatid na mas matanda pa sa'yo. Lagaan mo siyang mabuti. Pasensya ka na kung walang regalo si mamita. Tsaka si lolo sa'yo. Medyo hirap eh. Pero pagka nakaraos, babawi ako sa'yo. Bibili kita. Nag-aabang nga lang ako kay Venus kung anong mabibili ko sa'yo eh. Huwag kang mag-alala, bibigyan ka ng regalo. Love you. Basta, lagaan mo yung sarili mo. Huwag kang magkakasakit. Ha? Mahal na mahal ka ni mamita. Alam mo yon. Love you.
Chelsea, happy birthday. Ilang taon na ba si Chelsea? 18. Di mo na ni Chelsea Dalaga na. Chelsea. Lagi mong tandaan na si Lolo sa si Mamita dito lang at si Tito Ryan. Lagi mong tandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin. Meron man regalo o wala, o may handa man o wala, basta mahal ka namin. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. Lagi lang kaming nasa likod mo. Hindi ka namin pababayaan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea. I love you.
Give mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea.
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea. Lakasan mo.
Happy birthday, Ate
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Kiss mo.
Happy birthday, Chelsea! Laging magpakabait kay mama and papa. Be a good girl. Take care always and I miss you.
Happy 18th birthday,
Ate Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your
Love
day.
you. Heart, heart. Tell.
Hi Chelsea, happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday Chelsea, dalaga ka na. Have a nice day. Shrim shrim.
Happy 18th birthday, Chelsea. Have a wonderful day.
Happy 18th birthday, Chelsea. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea.
Dalaga na
Enjoy your
yun.
day.
Love, love.
Love, love. Mwah. Mwah.
Hello, Chelsea Vasquez. It's Edward here. Happy 18th birthday. This is the start of a new season of your life, so keep on smiling. Let's get a plan for you. Take care.